Imagine waking up in the middle of nowhere, yet having everything you need right inside your own luxury fortress on wheels. You step outside, surrounded by towering pine trees, the soft hum of nature in the background, and that crisp mountain air you just can't bottle. Then you turn back to admire your ride, the brand new 2026 Dynamax ISATA 6, a stunning off-road motorhome that's rewriting what luxury adventure really means. This isn't just another RV. It's a high-end 4x4 designed to conquer rugged terrain while keeping you wrapped in 5-star comfort. Today, we're taking you on a full walkthrough, inside and out, of the ISATA 6, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why it's one of the most talked-about new off-road RVs of 2026. Let's start with a first impression. And wow, the ISATA 6 delivers it with both style and muscle. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 XD chassis, this luxury rig combines precision engineering with bold design lines that instantly say ready for anything. From the front, that sleek aerodynamic body is matched with a wide, confident stance. It looks powerful, capable, and yet refined. The upgraded off-road tires, reinforced skid plates, and raised ground clearance remind you that this isn't some fragile showroom piece. It's built for dirt, rock, and long desert trails. The matte aluminum exterior finish with Dynamax's signature black and red accents gives it a modern expedition vibe, rugged yet elegant. Integrated LED light bars stretch across the roofline, perfect for night drives through remote highways. You've also got side view cameras, roof-mounted solar panels, and a power awning that automatically deploys with the push of a button. Whether you're parked at a scenic overlook or deep in a forest trail, the ISATA 6 looks like it belongs. Tough on the outside, luxurious on the inside. Step inside, and this is where the magic truly happens. The 2026 Dynamax ISATA 6 feels more like a boutique apartment than an RV. The moment you enter, you're greeted with warm LED lighting, rich European-style cabinetry, and soft-touch finishes everywhere. The interior color palette is a tasteful mix of matte walnut wood, brushed metal accents, and light cream upholstery, creating a calm, high-end environment that feels like home instantly. Up front, the Mercedes cockpit is everything you'd expect, intuitive, quiet, and luxurious. It's powered by a 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel engine with 188 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 7G-tronic automatic transmission that makes every drive smooth and efficient. And of course, full-time 4x4 means this machine can handle snow, sand, and steep climbs without breaking a sweat. Moving to the living area, you've got a large U-shaped lounge that converts into a comfortable dining or workspace. Above, large panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light, giving you that open, airy feel. You could be watching the sunrise over the Grand Canyon or a thunderstorm rolling through Yellowstone. The seating is made of ultra-leather with memory foam cushioning, designed for long travel comfort. Every corner has been thoughtfully designed, from USB-C ports near the armrest to wireless charging pads built right into the tabletop. Now, let's check out the heart of the ISATA 6, the kitchen. Compact yet fully functional, it comes with solid-surface countertops, a stainless steel sink, and a 2-burner LP cooktop with a flush glass cover. There's also a convection microwave, a 12-volt compressor refrigerator, and tons of smart storage that keeps everything secure even when the road gets bumpy. What's impressive here is a level of craftsmanship. All cabinet doors are soft close, drawers are aluminum reinforced, and the lighting is perfectly placed for both functionality and mood. 4 long off-grid trips. The ISATA 6 is equipped with a 400 amp-hour lithium battery system, 400 watts of roof solar, and an onboard generator, giving you real freedom to camp anywhere without worrying about power. Now let's step into the rear, your personal retreat. The bedroom suite in the ISATA 6 is beautifully designed, featuring a queen-size bed with an upgraded memory foam mattress and built-in climate control vents. Overhead cabinets, ambient lighting, and dual reading lamps make it both functional and cozy. You've even got large rear windows, so you can wake up to breathtaking views. Imagine opening your eyes to a sunrise over the Rockies or the gentle glow of desert evening. And yes, there's a 32-inch smart TV mounted neatly on the wall, plus Bluetooth audio throughout the cabin for that cinematic sound experience. In true Dynamax fashion, even the bathroom is luxury level. You get a spacious wet bath with a full fiberglass shower surround, stainless steel fixtures, a porcelain toilet, and a skylight overhead that fills the space with natural light. There's a tankless water heater, so you never run out of hot water, whether it's after a long hike or a day on the dunes. And thanks to clever design, you've got tons of storage hidden behind mirrors and under the sink, enough space for all your essentials without feeling cramped. Now, what really sets the 2026 ISATA 6 apart is its smart tech integration. You get the Dynamax Control Hub, a touchscreen panel that lets you manage lighting, temperature, generator power, and tank levels, all from one place. And if you're outside, no problem. The same controls are available via the Dynamax mobile app on your phone. Safety-wise, the ISATA 6 includes blind spot monitoring, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and even a 360-degree camera system for parking and trail navigation. It's the perfect blend of comfort, safety, and off-road toughness, something that very few RVs in this segment manage to balance. Now let's talk about where the ISATA 6 stands in the 4x4 luxury RV market. Compared to other models like the Jayco Terrain or the Winnebago Revel, the Dynamax feels more premium in both materials and space. While the Revel focuses on minimal adventure living, the ISATA 6 offers adventure without compromise, bigger tanks, more storage, more comfort, and a smoother, quieter ride. And that's what truly sets it apart. It's not just built for off-road, it's built for living off-road in luxury. If you're the kind of traveler who wants to chase horizons without giving up modern comfort, this is your perfect middle ground between rugged exploration and high-end living. So, what do you think of the 2026 Dynamax ISATA 6? Is this the kind of RV you'd take across the country, or maybe deep into the wilderness for those long weekend escapes? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what features impressed you the most. To sum it up, the ISATA 6 isn't just another 4x4 motorhome. It's a bold statement that adventure doesn't have to mean roughing it. It's where luxury meets wilderness, where technology meets freedom, and where every mile feels like home. If you enjoyed this first look, hit that like button, subscribe for more incredible 2026 RV tours, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Until next time, this is Auto Review Pro, bringing you the future of luxury travel, one motorhome at a time.